began this struggle.
Yes.
In the 2000.
We should push it to
It's not up to the end.
This morning we traveled to Namisindwa, Bududa and Manafwa districts. It's a very packed program, and also given the terrain, not going to be very easy for us. We count on good weather to favor us moving along the many bad roads that we are encountering on a daily basis, and hope that we will manage to do our work and return in time. We go with our manifesto to the people to explain to them our program for Ugandans in the months to come, beginning May next year to May of 2026. It's a manifesto and our promise to the people that we are going to be giving out to them, and also requesting for votes from them. We'll also be explaining why I feel I am a better candidate of all the 11 candidates now, and how we will be able to advance our program to favor the population of this country.
We began this struggle.
Yes.
In the 2000.
We should push it to
It's not up to the end.
Banna NRM abaludde nga bakubira omukulembeze w'eggwanga ebivuga ebya Serumbeete biyite bandi